Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th maths chapter 6 triangle, we are going to do the proof of BTP, basic proportionality theorem, and its converse. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more notification. Students, here is the statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and it intersects the other two sides of at two distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Right students? Repeat once again. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle and it intersects the other two sides at two distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Right students? So let us see what is given in the statement. Right? What is given? Here it is been given that a triangle, suppose the triangle ABC, right? Triangle ABC, in which DE is parallel to EC. DE is parallel to EC, right? And it intersect AB in D and E. Right student? So suppose this is a triangle ABC. Here is parallel line DE which is parallel to BC, right student? So to prove, what we have to prove? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, right? These things we have to prove over here. So first of all, let us see the construction. Join BE. What is? So the vertices are ABC. So joining BE and DC. Joining BE and CD or DC, right? And draw EF perpendicular on AB and DG perpendicular on AC. This is DF and this is DG, right? This is perpendicular on AB and this is perpendicular on AC. Right student? So let us start the proof. So about proof, first of all, since EF is perpendicular on AB, EF is perpendicular on AB, you can see in the diagram, and EF is the highest, the height of triangle, not highest, height of triangle, ADE, height of triangle, you can see that ADE, right? And DBE. So area of ADE is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So what is base over here? Base is AD and height is EF. Similarly, again, area of triangle DBE, 1 by 2 base into height. And what will be base this time? The base is DB and height is EF. Now students, taking the ratio of these two results, so area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DBE, area of triangle DBE. Okay, area of triangle DBE, right? So we are getting 1 by 2 AD into EF, right? Divide by 1 by 2 BD into EF. So here EF and EF will be cancelled, 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So we are getting AD upon BD. This is suppose result 1. Similarly, students, now in lower half of parallelogram DE, area of ADE upon area of DCE, 1 by 2 A into DZ and 1 by 2 EC into DZ. So simplifying over here, we are getting AE upon EC. This is result 2. Now students, since triangle DBE, you can see the triangle DBE and triangle DEC are same base and lies between the two same parallel line, right? So parallel line DE and BC. So the area of DBE is equal to area of triangle DEC. We have studied that area between two parallel lines are always equal. So this is result number 3. So students, from result 1, 2 and 3, we can conclude that result 1 is equal to result 2. It means we will write over here AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay students, here we are completing the proof of this theorem. Let us see the converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Right students, this is what converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. The basic proportionality theorem is also known as Thales theorem. The question may be asked in the examination, state and prove Thales theorem or BPT, right? So converse statement of BPT: if a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So this time what is given, students? This time given a triangle ABC and a line intersect AB in D and AC in E, right? Such that ratios means AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. This is given, right? So from the triangle, this ABC are the vertices. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC, right? What we have to prove? That DE is parallel to BC. So let us prove. Let DE, we will prove by contradictory method. DE be not parallel to BC, right? Then there exists another line which will be parallel to BC. There exists a line parallel to BC. So let us consider this line is DF. This line is DF which is parallel to BC, right students? Since DF is parallel to BC, so by basic proportionality theorem, right? By the basic proportionality theorem, ratio of same sides are always equal. Ratio of the sides of same sides is always equal. So AD upon BD is equal to AF upon FC, right? But it is given that AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. So comparing these things, so we are getting what, these two. So by comparing, we are getting from 1 and 2, AF upon FC is equal to AE upon EC. So which implies that adding both side 1, so we are getting AF plus FC divided by FC and AE plus EC divided by EC. So here AF plus FC gives AC upon FC and AE plus EC gives AC. So AC will be cancelled. So finally we are getting FC is equal to EC, right? When it is possible, this is possible when both the lines are coincide. This is possible only F and E are coincide. It means line DF coincide with DE. It means if these two lines are coincide, it means these two lines are parallel. Hence students, we completed the proof over here. Now there is few notes on the basis of BPT. So students, we can also prove this statement, but here we will learn these concepts, right? We are not going to prove these things. Earlier we have studied in a triangle ABCD is parallel to BC and intersect AB in D and AC in E. Then we can prove the following condition, result, right? So ABC, here has been D and E. So result from these things, results are AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. We can also prove AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Third, DB upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. Fourth, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. Fifth, AB upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. Sixth, DB upon AB is equal to EC upon AC. Right students, these are the result which will be helpful to calculate the sum. These results can be proved on the basis of BPT. Right students, so earlier I have told you that basic proportionality theorem is also known as Thales theorem. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir G Maths. Thank you students for watching this video till the